So I went ahead and ordered a replacement razor head for my Braun 9 series. I just want to show you what it looks like. This is what the head looks like. This is how it came. Exact same one that came with it. So I like to stay with the manufacturer's brand exactly as it's intended to work with. Works with the Braun razor, as you can see here. And you can see it's got the smooth edge here for the fine cutting. It's got the hair for the strand hairs, and also for the trimming. So it has everything all built into one head. I'll show you the back of it. Let me show you the side of it, underneath it, and it exactly fits perfectly. So no issues with that whatsoever. I definitely always recommend buying high quality brand razor replacement heads for the razor. And you can see here, it just snaps right on. And replace this one, just snap right on, just like that there, and super easy to install. And you can see here, the pivot head, everything is beautiful, high quality as always, and I'm definitely a fan favorite of the Braun razors. And thanks for watching.